So how's it going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So for sure every car right now has a dash cam because we don't want to get scammed while we drive, for people who pretend to be getting hit by your car, or somebody who's trying to get their car hit by doing a brake check in front of you. It's always good to have evidence that it's their fault why this thing happened. So that's why most of the people now have dash cam, but most of them doesn't look pretty good. Plus you have to do a lot of wiring and stuff like that, so it takes a lot of effort to just install a dash cam. But I found this new dash cam on the market, and I really like the style of this dash cam. This dash cam, you cannot even tell you have dash cam in your car. That's how good it is. And I used dash cam on my car, and I used to like it before when it was new, but now I think it's time to upgrade to the OE style dash cam. In today's video, we're gonna upgrade the dash cam on my BMW. So guys, let's get started. So here we have the FITCAMX dash cam, and this is in 4K Ultra HD. And here are some of the features. It's Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, and also HDR range. The packaging is really nice. Got some notes here for some cautions and where it's made. Let's go check out the inside. Okay, we have the dash cam here, and here we have the accessory. Okay, now we're gonna check out first the accessory. Okay. Oh, we have a nice USB card reader, good for USB-A and also USB-C. You have a plastic pry tool. You got some user manual here. You can go check it out and read it. So if you need support, you can email them. This is their email address. And now the actual dash cam. So this one is specifically made. There's nothing in the box. For my BMW F22. The packaging is really nice. It has a lot of support for damage on transport. So this is the actual unit. That's the camera over there. So this will replace the plastic cover on your rear view mirror. It's going to be integrated in there, and it's going to be plugged into your rain sensor cable. So that means there's no wiring to be done. So all you have to do is plug this cable in between the power for the rain sensor, and then you're gonna have power on your dash cam. So you have a power button here, camera button. Here you have a slot for your micro SD card, and it comes with a memory card already. Oh, it's nice. It comes with a 128 gigabyte Lexar micro SD card, so that's really good. It's a lot of memory there. And you have the brand FITCAMX. Okay, this is very easy to install, so it takes about a few minutes to install on your car. It's direct fit on your regular cover for your rear view mirror. And with this, you can barely tell you have dash camera in your car, because the way it's been made. As you can see, this is the camera part, and that's it. So you can barely tell you have a dash camera in your car. So they have a lot of type of cameras for different cars. So all you have to do is go to their website, and you're gonna see all the different types of cameras for different types of cars. Also the other options, if you want to get with 128 gigabyte memory card or 64 gig. You can also ask for a front and rear camera if you want. It's up to you. So you just have to click the link down below and use my code on the description, and that will give you 8% when you buy your FITCAMX. So now let's do the install. Okay, first we have to put aside this rear view mirror. Okay. So I still have the wiring from my old camera. I'm gonna remove that soon. Okay, so now I got the two hubs. So now I completely removed the old camera. I need to unplug this pink connector here. Unplug the connector here. Plug the FITCAMX. Plug the FITCAMX on the female side, and then the male side will be plugged back to the sensor of the rain sensor. That's it. So now we have our power for the camera. Just slide this. Okay, just like that. Just have to slide back in. And now I'm gonna slide this one inside, and the other half of the camera goes here. That's it. So now it's installed. Now we have to do now is open the app and control this camera. Take out the cover for the lens there. So guys, this is how it looks like after the install. It looks like an OEM dashcam. It's really good. I really like the look on this one. So you have to go to the Play Store to download the app FITCAMX, or you can also scan the QR code on the box to go to the app and download it. I already downloaded it. I installed the app on my phone and also registered. Now it's already installed on my phone, and all I have to do now is just open it. So now it's connected to my camera on my car. So here you have the control for the video camera icon if you want to stop recording. Then it's telling you to stop recording, or you can use your camera icon here and press it. Then it's taking photo now, right now. So it's gonna take a snapshot on the view, and it says captured, and all this is gonna go to your camera file. So you have your camera file here. Here you can see all the video that your camera took, your dash camera took. So these are the loop recording file. As you can see, and here you have the camera setting. So on the camera setting, you can adjust the sound recording, video resolution, loop recording, durations, exposure compensation, watermark, time, collision, sensing, parking guard, you can turn it off if you want. Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password. You can also check the firmware version, and you can also format the SD card or do a factory reset. So those are the things that you can control under the settings of this FITCAMX app. So basically that's what you have on the app. And now let's go check out the video recording on the road, how clear this camera is.